Hey guys, it's Sherrick here, and today we are back in more Minecraft! So if you remember, in the last episode I was with my cousin, and he started building his house over here. I'm not going to destroy anything because he might play some more Minecraft. But, we're going to start off the episode by taking a nice jump. Whee! Ah, what a lovely swim. Seeing as we're going over here to mine some trees, we'll go over here. So we're not going to go mining today. Yes, I know you guys really want me to do mining, but I'm not doing it yet. I will do it eventually, I'm just not doing it yet. And then I think I'm not going to go to bed in this, because in this video I want to get some bone meal. I think these are his, I don't know. So I'm going to get out some, whoa, that went up really slow, watch. Didn't. So, if you saw the last episode, I am going to be making a new room. I don't know what it's going to be, but I think it might be the crafting room. And I'll have like crafting tables and supplies in there and everything, like chests. But yeah, I'm going to mine down these trees. I think it's 610 you need for a full stack, so I think I need like 2 stacks. Yeah, 2 stacks should be fine. I also have trees over at my place, so I can also go mine those down. So I need 32 pieces of wood, and then that would be all I need. So yeah, let's cut down this tree. Get 32 wood. Oh yeah, my shout out for this video today. I don't know if I've already given this person a shout out, but my shout out will be for Elijah and Jordan. Okay, I need one more piece of wood. So, those are the 3 shout outs I'm giving today. Okay, must be really careful. But yeah, I'm also going to get this ready. So do this. Okay, so 1 stack there. 1 stack there. Okay, and then I'm also going to get rid of I'm also going to get this. Okay, so that's not a stack, but it's okay. Ooh, I'm hungry. Do I have any food on me? No, I have raw mutton though. Let's go. I'm gonna make me something to eat since I'm going hungry. See, right here is where I'm starting the new room, so I'm just gonna actually head through here. Do I have any cooked food in here? No, I do not. And here? Yeah, I have steak. I'll get some sand smelting actually too. Let's use some of this wood. Make some pole sticks. That's fine. Ah, I want my saplings. Thank you. Now, put my sticks in there. There we go. Now I'm getting some glass for the new room. Okay. Let's eat. Oh. Nom nom nom. Ah, delicious. Some nice steak. Now, oh, I got 3 stacks. That's nice. Now I'll get some seeds. Hey, yeah, actually I'm going to mine some of this, and then I'm going to get some seeds. If you're wondering why I'm getting seeds, is because of this down here. I'm going to a little farm. Do I have my hoe on me? No. I'm going to go grab my hoe. Ho, 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 ho. Where's my hoe? Did it break? I might have broken. I'll take these sticks in here. I'll make a new hoe. It won't be the best hoe because obvious reasons. And then I'll switch that and do that. And then I'll get out my trees just because I feel like growing them right now. So yeah. Let me go grow plant my trees over here. So yeah, the reason I'm staying up, not in real life, but in this video on Minecraft, because I'm going to try to get some bone meal. So yeah, let's go start making this farm. There, and there, and there. So I have 6. That's 4. Okay. There. Put my crops here. Now I forgot what crops drop. Oh, I don't think that was ready, but hey, it's fine. Okay. I'm actually gonna go see if I can find myself some iron. Do I? Let me go grab my pickaxe. I'm actually just gonna go through here. Do I have an iron? No, I do not have a stone pickaxe. I'm actually gonna go get some stone. I'm happy because I have like this little stone cave over here. This isn't it, but I'll use it. No, that's so annoying. Well, I didn't get it. Oh, this is going to be really annoying. Can I get it with an axe? Please say. Please? Nope. Okay, I'm going to get my way out of here. At least it mines faster. There. Okay, let me get my nearly broken one. Because I need to use it because I can't get cobblestone without it, so. Watch, it's gonna break after the 3 blocks, I bet. Let's at least hope. I'll actually get as much as I can, though. Until it breaks. I'll use it until it breaks. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything with that, just because I need a way to get out. It's almost broken. It's gonna be broken once I mine this. Oh, this. Yep. Okay, got 17 stone. Now let's go make me a stone pickaxe. And we're gonna go look for some iron. I forgot about that giant tree there. Oh, actually, I was gonna work on that. So I'm actually just gonna make this and then I'm going to actually work on that room. There. I was just getting a pickaxe cause, yeah. I was going to mine in the next episode. And I'm going to mine on my island. I'm not going to mine anywhere else. I'm going to make like a railroad. Well, not a railroad, but you know like those little things that mines have? Tracks? Yeah. That you can ride. I think I'm going to do that. Oh yeah, my glass is done too, so. I'm getting a bit hungry, but that's fine. No, I think I'm going to have this a small room. I'll have it like this big. Oh wait, I forgot I wasn't in creative. That's kind of sad. Okay, I'm going to destroy this, guys. Don't worry, I just need a way to get up here. Yikes. Okay, I think I'm going to make it like this big. And as I said, I'm not going to go to bed. I wish you had shields. I mean, you might in other versions, but not in computer. It would be really appreciated if you did, though. Man, I already out of a stack. Okay, mobs should be spawning soon. I at least want a little, I at least want a skeleton. That's all I really need. It's dark, like really dark. Okay, so this isn't going to be a mob spawning room. Although I'm actually probably going to do a mob spawner. Depends. We'll see what comes in the future. I'm planning to do this series for like about, actually, I don't know when I'm going to stop doing Minecraft. All I can tell you is I'm going to be doing it for over a year. Like, that's for sure. I'm going to keep doing Minecraft, make as much as I can, make like mini games and rides and everything. Eventually have caves. Challenges will be done. Oh. Did I not? Oh. Dang it. I didn't build it high enough. Oh well. Let me get out my crafting table. I'm gonna actually eat a bit. I need some food. Nom 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 nom. Ah, delicious. I'm actually gonna make a stone sword just because I really need one. Do I still have my stone on me? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, I already have a stone sword. That's okay. Don't need to make one. Okay. Let's go, my friends. Bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 bum. Not gonna look at it. Okay, I'm actually gonna go to bed, guys. There's Enderman. If you guys don't know, Endermen are extremely dangerous. Oh god, it's still there. Guys, think I can take it? Okay, he's coming. I probably can't, but I'm gonna do it. Can I? Oh, no. Nope, I can't. I lost everything. I'm not going out there. I'm not doing hand-to-hand combat. All I have is this sword. Oh gosh, all my stuff. Oh god. That wasn't good, was it? I thought I could take him. I couldn't. I'm too weak. Oh, that would have been bad if my stuff despawned. I had a whole bunch. Okay, good. I got everything. Where is he now? I really want an ender pearl. He had to have at least like 2 hit points left, right? He teleported far, 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 far away, dang it. Ugh, that's kind of annoying. Well, second death in the whole game. Well, first death on camera. You're probably wondering why I said second. I've died before. Yeah, I've actually died before. It was not fun, didn't like it one bit. But I had to do it to get my way back home. As you know, I lost my house in a video, so I had to die and get to my spawn point. So yeah. I think this is 4. Okay. There we go. That's basically the workshop done, but it's not yet. Okay. Well, we did what I wanted to do this video. We made the new room. So this is the workshop room, as I said. If you're wondering why I'm doing 2 chests, it's because you can get a... See, look. That's a large chest, right? Then I'm also going to have a normal chest in here. Oh, no. I'm going to run out of time. Grab this normal chest. Okay, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! See? Look at the...